Embrace Detail and Auto Spa with a monthly customer. They took the vehicle on a road trip, which involved a little bit of skiing and during a snowstorm. So as you can tell, they gathered a little bit of dirt from the trip. But again, you've watched a couple of videos where we talk about the suspension components and making sure that those are rinsed during this time of the year because they are susceptible to corrosion and being eaten, I suppose, by the things that keep us safe on the road, like the salt and the brine that's placed on the freeways. Also a little bit of residual on the pedals, obviously from your feet getting in and out. Paying attention to the door jambs again, in those areas of importance. So again, Embrace Detail and Auto Spa taking care of monthly customer during this time of the year when this stuff falls out of the sky and there's salt and brine on the roads to keep us safe. It's also can be a little detrimental to the vehicles that we are moving around in along those times. So I want to make sure that you are being embraced during this time. I'm not putting the tailgate down because the plate is there, but you can imagine that the rear of the vehicle collects a lot more of that from a tailwind perspective. So again, Embrace Detail and Auto Spa taking care of my customer. Stay tuned for the after video. It's going to be amazing. Stay tuned.